Hi everyone, I'm Lucy and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to braid your hair. I have actually roped my twin sister into doing this and showing you because I originally did it and the footage turned out horrendous because I'm not very good at plaiting my hair. This side I have done a Dutch braid and this side is a French braid using Foxylocks hair extensions so you can't see any of the tapes. So let's get into it.
So I'm going to be plaiting Lucy's hair because you can't do it, can you?
I can, I just can't do it very well with hair extensions.
So this is why I'm showing everyone, and hopefully after this Lucy can do it herself.
Yeah. Look, I look like a right idiot right now. So we sectioned the hair into two different sections. I'm so bad at it.
Basically,
split the hair in half because we're going to do two different braids, aren't we? We're going to do a French braid and a Dutch braid and we're going to show you how to do both.
yeah. So I've done that, well, as best as I can. Having curly hair, like, for some reason our hair, we literally can't get it spot on down the middle because our hairs just want to kind of curl together,
Yeah,
even if we have straightened it. So I've tried to do it as best as I can.
Yeah, but our hair's got a mind of its own, so
that's why I brushed this quite a bit so it's a bit frizzy at the bottom.
It's getting frizzy and it's actually stressing me out.
But we've put oil in it and
just to smooth it down, which I suggest everyone should do that anyway.
Yeah, so I'm going to start off by then we're going to put two hair extensions in. So we're going to put the 3 width and the 2 width in. So you kind of want it diagonally where you want to kind of plait it. So where you want the plait to be, split it down there to start off with.
Yeah, we all know you're called Becky, but you're not a hairdresser, are you?
No, I'm not.
So
I'm just showing you how we do it. Just because loads of people requested from seeing it in when we both wore our hair like this in one of your videos.
yeah.
We're like, okay, let's show people. So we're using the Latte Blonde, aren't we, Lou? Which we toned with purple shampoo to kind of match your hair more. Because it's a bit more of a yellowy blonde, wasn't it?
Yeah. Latte Blonde's the shade of the hair extensions.
Yeah. So I'm going to take the 3 width now and put it in. I'm going to brush it first though so it's all nice. Probably be best if it wasn't still curly, but I think that probably goes with your hair more anyway and it will flatten out anyway once it's all in. So the first one, because this hair will eventually be up that way, you kind of want to clip it in that way.
Yeah, upside down.
So upside down. I mean, it feels so weird to do. Yeah, you don't want to start too far forward because that's where you kind of start the plait off and then it will get thicker. And then if it's too far down, then it will start poking out at the bottom, which is the last thing we want. I've put that in now and I'm going to check that this hair here is enough to hide it, which you can see it's enough to hide this top bit, but the bottom bit you can still see. So I'm going to move the bottom clip across. Yeah, so as you can see it's diagonal. Let me do that test again. Yeah, so that covers all of that. And that hair at the bottom covers it all. So you literally can't see it because it's all going the same direction. Then I'm going to flip this across, which now looks super funny. I can't even speak, Lou. It's all this quarantine, not speaking to anyone. You kind of forget how to talk. I'm going to brush the 2 width and that's going to be going in at the top. So I'm just going to take this section down and then this, because this hair is going to be coming across here, can be clipped in the normal way. And all this hair can come back across. Then as you can see it all kind of now blends in. So this side I'm going to be doing a Dutch plait. This side I'm going to be doing a French plait to show you how the extensions kind of blend in with both. So with a Dutch plait, you want to take the hair underneath and underneath. Grab another section of hair, add it in, put that underneath. Take a bit from the top, add it in, put it underneath. Guys, we kind of effed up.
And I'm literally going blind with this sun.
But like, the quality of me plaiting the Dutch just didn't turn out right. So I'm going to do it again to show you. I can carry it on from here if you want. Now we're on to the other side of the hair. Again, I'm going to use a 3 width and a 2 width. Let me try and find them. 3 width and a 2 width. Again, these were also dyed or toned with purple shampoo. Again, section this off diagonally.
Expose my big forehead again.
Expose the forehead. But if you did want a bit of hair out the front, leave that down before you start plaiting. Otherwise, if you try and pull it out once it's all plaited, it's just not going to look good.
No.
And you'll find when you do this on your own hair, there's always one side is easier to do than the first one. So I always find the second side I do. Like, you just can't get it to match.
This side at all. I cannot do this side at all.
So again, the 3 width, I'm going to put it in upside down in effect. So all this hair is going that way. You don't want to start it too far up again.
You can always check whether it's going to show it.
See, there's enough hair to cover that. Clip it up. Then I'm going to take the 2 width. And you want this facing this way, like the normal way, because that's the way we're going to be plaiting this one in. So like, look, you can see how much hair that's added in. So this side we're going to be doing the French plait. So start with 3 bits, and instead of going under like we did on the other side, we're going to put the hair over, grab a bit more hair, put it over. Grab a bit more hair, put it over. Then just carry this on the whole way down the head. Again, the tighter you pull it and the smaller, the neater it will be. And the smaller you do it. Shall I do it really small or thicker?
I don't know. Is it better to match it to the other side so then you can compare them?
Okay. I'll do this a bit thicker than I normally do it.
I felt like it's getting Botox there.
I should pull this one out as much as the Dutch so you can kind of see.
Okay.
So this is the Dutch Plat. Again, you can't see any extensions from either side, just a dodgy thing that I did, my bad. And then this is a French Plat with the Dutch. One side and the other side.
So this is the finished look. I do apologise about the lighting throughout this and me wearing sunglasses and all of that, but I hope you did enjoy it and find out which braid suits you and how to hide your tape-in hair extensions. If you did like this, please remember to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next week for another video.